There are a lot of reports of Model 3 break-ins, especially in the San Francisco Bay Area, which really isn't all that surprising with the high concentration of Model 3s there. I mean, it's basically the new Prius. What happens is a small rear window is broken so they can reach in and open the seat to check the trunk without setting off the alarm, and if they see something interesting, they'll break the larger window to open the door. This sucks for obvious reasons, but it's also surprisingly expensive to replace the little window. So what can you do? Ideally, you want to prevent the window break in the first place by deterring the thief. If your windows aren't tinted super dark, you could simply leave the trunk empty with the seats folded down, so it's clear there's nothing to steal and no need to break the window. It kind of sucks that you can't keep things in your trunk, but you could still use the bottom bin, and overall, I think it's really the best option I've seen to deter the break-in. Beyond that, these glass break alarms with a sticker and flashing LED could help show that this isn't an easy target and they should hopefully move on. But it could also advertise that there may be something of value you're trying to protect. So if you use them in conjunction with opening the seat, they're probably a good combo. But on their own, maybe not so much. So what can you do if you actually have something valuable in the trunk that you need to protect? These drop locks make it harder to release the seat with your hand, and they come with a sticker to maybe act as a deterrent, but they probably won't help that much once thieves learn that they're pretty easy to remove with a tool. These 3D printed seat locks take it a step further by making it even harder to fold the seat if you don't already have access to the trunk, but there's no indication from the outside that this is any different. So again, not much of a deterrent to breaking the window, but they're a pretty solid option for actually preventing a theft since they have to be unlocked from inside the trunk. So is there anything Tesla can do? Tesla sells an enhanced anti-theft system for the Model S and X, which adds a motion sensor to the interior, but again, it might make the alarm go off once the window is broken, but it's probably not going to prevent it. Elon has tweeted about a sentry mode, aka Keep Summer Safe.
Ship! Keep Summer safe!
Keep summer safe.
That would theoretically play music and turn on the cameras, which could help as a universal deterrent if every car has it. But realistically, the car would still get damaged, your stuff would still get stolen, and the thief would likely get away since police don't really put much effort into these sorts of low-level crimes. Maybe Tesla could use some of that machine learning with the cameras to set off the alarm if the cameras see someone maybe looking into the windows. But there would certainly be a lot of nuisance false alarms from that, and it would drain the battery all day. So for my money, I think the open seats plus window alarm is probably your best bet if you have nothing in the trunk. And the 3D printed lock plus a window alarm is your best bet to actually protect stuff. So let us know your ideas in the comments, and we'll leave links in the description to the different items and some of the sources of information.